This tutorial will demonstrate how to create a new loan in SBA Open for an EPC OC loan. After logging into SBA Open, select the New Loan Wizard from the home page. This will open up the New Loan Wizard. In Step 1 of the wizard, accept the default settings of 7A for the loan type. In the Loan Structure Type drop-down list, select EPC OC. Finally, accept the default standards SBI size calculation. Click Next to continue at the bottom of the screen. In Step 2, there are 3 initial eligibility tests for you to complete. To complete the test, click on the Check Eligibility button located under each test, and a new window will appear. For the Credit Elsewhere test, select an appropriate reason why credit is not available commercially for this loan, and then click on Save and Close to complete the test. By default, SBA Open assumes that the applicant is an eligible business type. If you're uncertain, you can check this eligibility in the same way as above. For the EPC eligibility, in this test, you must answer a series of questions related to the EPC. Once you've completed answering these questions, click Save and Close to complete the test. If this application will include a franchise, click once in the checkbox to indicate yes for this option. This opens up additional questions about franchising, including a franchise eligibility test. Franchise-specific information is covered in other tutorials. Click Next to continue to Step 3. In Step 3, enter some basic information about the primary applicant business and the operating company. Clicking on Add New will open up a new window to enter information of the primary applicant. In this window, you should enter as much information as possible about the primary applicant business. You'll note that as you enter the zip code of the business, SBA Open will automatically fill in the state, city, and zip code for you. At the bottom of the window, select the state of the SBA district office where the primary applicant is located. SBA Open will automatically provide you with a list of possible offices in that state, and you can choose the appropriate one. Click on Save and Close to go back to the wizard. You'll see the applicant's business name will appear in the primary applicant field. Because this is a primary applicant in an EPC loan, EPC is selected as the applicant type by default. To enter new information about the operating company, click on the Add New button, and this will open a new window. Similar to the EPC, in this window you should enter as much information as possible about the operating company business. When you're finished, you can click Save and Close. After you've saved this information, the operating company's name will appear in the secondary applicant field. In the applicant drop-down type list, select Operating Company. Finally, for this example, we'll assume that the operating company will not be a co-borrower. Because there could be more than one operating company, we need to add this business to the loan by clicking the Add button. The operating company's name will appear in the matrix. If there was another operating company, we would follow the same procedure. Finally, click Next at the bottom of the screen, and SBA Open will ask you if you would like to save the loan. Select Yes, and SBA Open will direct you to the Gather module so that you can immediately begin entering information about this loan. And you can move between applicants by selecting the applicant name from the top of the screen in Gather.